फुडल्या कामकाजाक सुरू करूया. कागदपत्रां सभागृहाच्या पटलाचेर दवरपा खातीर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री.
म्हज्या नांवाचेर आशिल्ले पेपर्स हांव सभागृहाच्या पटलाचेर दवरता.
फुडें धकललेली लक्षवेधी सूचना श्री अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड आनी निलेश काब्राल तुम्ही मांडलेली आसा ऑलरेडी. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री तुम्ही उत्तर दिता म्हटलेलें.
स्पीकर सर, गेले तीन दीस ज्या पद्दतीन बोवाळ चालू आसा त्या पद्दतीन प्रश्नाचे महत्व पेक्षा चड ताजेर विशय फ्लॅग ऑफ करप हें चड चल्लेलें आहा. म्हणून हांव उत्तर दिता आनी उत्तर दितकच जर कोणाक प्रश्न आसत जाल्यार तांच्यांनी ते प्रश्न विचारपाक हरकत ना. The government is aware of the fact that fish is the staple food of Goans. Goans prefer other variety of fish, including crustacean, which are not found along the coast of Goa, and the local catch is mainly restricted to limited variety of fish such as mackerels, sardines, lepo, prawns, tuna, etc. Further, Goa being a renowned tourist destination with a vibrant tourism industry, the demand for popular variety of fishes
is by rule. You go ahead.
With a vibrant tourism industry, the demand for popular variety of fish like pomfret, spearfish, etc. from the tourism industry could not be catered by the local catch alone. Hence, the demand for fish is met by importing the fish from the other states across the country. Such import of fish, apart from reducing the demand-supply gap, also helps in stabilizing the market price of the fishes, thereby making these species affordable to the Goans. The local catch, which is not in high demand with Goans such as ribbon fish, cuttlefish, is exported. The fishing ban season of Goa being from 1st June to 31st July, the demand for fish in Goa is met by import from states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Orissa, Karnataka, etc. And the fishing ban season in most of these coastal states is already over. The FDA has been specifically carrying out inspection of the fishes during the fishing ban period for the past few years. For instance, in the month of July 2017, the Department of Fisheries had received a complaint requesting to monitor the quality of fish supplied and sold in the fish market, which was forwarded to Director of Food and Drug Administration by the Fisheries Department with a request to conduct joint inspection along with their department. Accordingly, the Director of Food and Drug Administration along with Fisheries Department conducted joint inspection in the various markets of Goa and had drawn totally 10 samples of fish from the Panji and Margao market, and the same was subjected for analysis at the Food and Drug Laboratory at Bambori. No adverse finding in the above 10 sample of fish was reported by the food analyst. In the month of July 2018, the Directorate of Food and Drug Administration received a complaint wherein it was alleged that the fish preserved using formaldehyde is being supplied during the ban season. The complaint also mentioned that the fish adulterated with formalin was detected in Kerala, which was sourced from the state of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Taking cognizance of the complaint, the Director of Food and Drug Administration began investigating the complaint to rule out the possibility of fish imported from Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and other states being contaminated with formaldehyde. Inspections were conducted at Margao and Panji. They were conducted at Margao and Panji on 12/7/2018. Since there are large number of consignments waiting to be unloaded for distribution of sale of wholesale fish at wholesale fish market at Margao, and drawing the sample for lab analysis and getting the result from lab analysis may take at least 4 hours, which may cause inconvenience, it was decided to do screening test in the first instance, and if any sample is found not passing the screening test, the samples may be drawn for detailed lab analysis until such time the suspected consignment to be detained. The screening test performed at the site was done using Schiff reagent, which is the only screening test available then for detection of presence of all aldehydes, including formaldehydes. The screening test conducted on the spot at Panji and Margao showed that their samples were found not passing the preliminary screening test. It is, however, to be clarified that the results of screening tests are only indicative and need to be confirmed by confirmatory test at the laboratory for the presence of added formaldehyde. Using validated tests recommended by FSSAI, accordingly the Director of Food and Drug Administration official brought the samples to FDA laboratory at Bambori. The said samples were tested using, this is very important, free formaldehyde test method. As recommended by FSSAI, the results were found to be below the detectable level when compared to standard solution of 0.5 ppm. Accordingly, the results should have been reported as formaldehyde negative as it was done in the past. However, since by then media had widely reported the result of screening test done at the spot, which is only an indicative test, the laboratory report mentioned that the formaldehyde content was within the permissible limit, which is a misnomer as there is no permissible limit specified under FSSAI regulations. The clarification in this regard was issued subsequently by the Director of Food Drug Administration as well as by the Minister for Health to clear the doubt in the mind of people. As the fish sample after detailed lab analysis were found to be of satisfactory quality, safe for consumption, the consignment from all the vehicles from which the samples were drawn at Margao were allowed to be sold. The sample drawn at Panji market were also from the retail fish vendors. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India is the central authority for laying down science-based standard for articles of food and to regulate their manufacture, storage, distribution, sale and import to ensure availability of safe and wholesale food for human consumption. As per the guideline note 1 by 2018 on the subject issue of formalin in fish issued last week by FSSAI, it is mentioned that generally formaldehyde is naturally present in marine fishes like mackerel, Bombay duck, etc. and shellfishes, shrimps and brackish water prawns, and it is very minimal, less than 4 mg per kg or absent in freshwater fish. Further, it is also mentioned that formaldehyde exists in many animal and plant species as a product of their normal metabolism. Formaldehyde is documented to be naturally present in many common food items, including fruits and vegetables, approximately 20 to 60 mg per kg in fruits and vegetables. Meat, approximately 5 to 20 mg per kg. Fish, approximately 5 to 140 mg per kg. Crustacean, approximately 10 to 100 mg per kg. And mushrooms. In fishes, formaldehyde is a natural breakdown product of a chemical known as trimethylamine oxide, TMAO, post-mortem. It can also accumulate in certain marine fish and crustacean during frozen section key. For fresh fish, as per has procured these test kits and have started the testing of fish sample using this kit at FDA laboratory, and since 14/7/2018 have tested around 116 samples of different variety of fish drawn from the markets of Margao, Panji, Vasco, Mapsa, Fonda and Bicholi. And all these samples have passed the test, indicating that no added formaldehyde was used to preserve the fish. The above samples were also tested by subjecting to confirmatory tests at the laboratory following the free formaldehyde test as per FSSAI guidelines. The government, having utmost concern for the health of the people and to remove the fear and confusion that has been created in the minds of Goans, have imposed a ban on the storage, distribution or sale of fresh fish, including crustaceans brought from outside the state for consumption in the state of Goa for a period of 15 days from 18 July 2018. Since the enforcement of the ban, the police in association with the transport department had prevented the entry of 9 trucks of fish brought from outside the state at the border checkpost. The government is ready to consider extending this ban for a further period in the interest of the health of Goans if the prevailing circumstances warrant the same. Even as and when the ban is lifted, to build confidence among the Goans regarding the quality of fish available in the market and to ensure the quality of fish sold in the market, the FDA along with the Directorate of Fisheries and Police Assistance shall continue to monitor the quality of fish by carrying out the routine and periodic inspection at the major markets at Margao, Panji and Mapsa. The above mentioned CIFT validated screening test kits recommended by FSSAI shall be used to detect the presence of added formaldehyde. If the fish samples are found passing the screening test, the fish consignment will be allowed to be sold. If the CIFT validating screening test result shows that there is a contamination by added formaldehyde, then the results will be confirmed by subjecting to confirmatory tests at FDA laboratory as per FSSAI guidelines. Depending upon the results obtained by the confirmatory tests at the FDA, further actions such as releasing the consignment for consumption or destruction of the consignment will be initiated. Also, criminal action as per provision of the Food Safety and Standards Act shall be initiated against the concerned fish dealer. To sensitize the local vendors and traders who are dealing with the fresh fish imported from other states about the harmful effect of use of formaldehyde as a preservative, the FDA in association with the Fisheries Department would organize sensitization program for wholesale and retail traders so as to enable and equip them to identify fish laced with formaldehyde. Fish being the staple food of Goan and the issue on hand has a direct bearing on the health of Goan, I would urge upon all the honorable members of the House to refrain from politicizing the issue and request all of them to support the government on action taken and propose to be taken for addressing this issue. Thank you.
Bam Nilesh Cabral.
Yes, the Honorable CMN, a very detailed report of formaldehyde. Speaker sir, I would like to add a few things and see if, as Honorable CM has pointed out, there are two types of which can be, formaldehyde can be used. One is bound and one is free. And as Honorable CM has pointed out, that fish in various researches, I had also gone through that, various researches I would like to read, especially the International Agency for Research on Cancer. When in 2004 and subsequent researches, they have said that if you consume formaldehyde with the substance, there is no such evidence that it causes cancer. But Speaker sir, apprehensions of people, which was created by the elements, as Honorable CM has pointed out, in total what was and what is, that preliminary conduct of sample resulted in traces being found, and then they were taken to the FDA laboratory, wherein they found that those are not there. But Speaker sir, Honorable CM has assured the people of Goa that such things, if found, in future will be dealt sternly and will not be allowed to be sold in the state of Goa. I think, and the mechanism for the same, Honorable CM has also pointed out. I would request Honorable CM that such mechanism may be put not only for fish, but such mechanism may be put for fruits, vegetables, or any other product which is consumed by the population of Goa. Speaker sir, we have seen newspaper reports coming for the last few days. We have seen that Goans have themselves stopped buying fish because of this issue. I think with today's reply, not only Goans, but the tourists who come to Goa or the tourists who intend to come to Goa, I think it will be laid to rest. Because I think for the last few days, people coming to Goa also have reduced. Tourists also coming to Goa have reduced because of certain elements in the society who are trying to show that what has been giving is forcefully being given. Speaker sir, same उलोवंक सोदता.
तुझ्या हाजेरूच सांगूंक सोदता.
उलोव.
स्पीकर सर, ताणें जो पॉयंट रेज केला तो इम्पॉर्टंट प्रेज आहा. This has an economic angle from all sides. One economic angle is who is controlling the wholesale business. For me, the issue at this stage does not involve who controls the wholesale business. Market, the minister is complaining himself that the market is actually creating nuisance for his own people. So he has told me that if anyone wants, it can be shifted to other area. I am not naming the area because I don't want a member, because privately they told me they don't want wholesale market. But it can be shifted to other areas. It can be shifted to other areas from Margao also if it is required. So it can be also open to any other wholesaler who wants. It need not be controlled by association alone. It can be controlled by PDA also. What is important, the economic part of it, गोंयान भितर पेडवे, मॅकरल, बांगडे हे मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर मेळटात. गोंयान पापलेट व्हडले मेळना. गोंयान विसवण जाय तितलो मेळना आमकां जाय तितलो. आनी गोंयान थोडे अशे फीश आहा की जे फीश गोंयकार तितले खायना. हांवें उत्तरान सांगलां, सियर फीश म्हणजे विसवण. गोंयान काही फीश जाता ते आमी जाय तितले खायना, कंज्यूम करना, ते भायर उडोवचे पडटले. ते एक्सपोर्ट जाता. गोंयान एमपीटीच्यान एक्सपोर्ट जाणारो सगळो नुस्तें गोंयच्यान एक्सपोर्ट जाता अशें न्हय. थोडे कारवारच्यान येता, थोडे ह्या सायडीच्यान, रत्नागिरी सायडीच्यान, मुंबयच्यान सुद्दां येता. हांगा जशी अवेलेबिलिटी आहा तशें हांगा एक्सपोर्टींग पॉयंट म्हणून यूज जाता. पण गोंयचें नुस्तें आनी इम्पोर्ट केल्लें नुस्तें म्हणून सादारण 30 ते 40,000 टन एक्सपोर्ट जाता आसत. मोस्टली आयटम्स विच आर नॉट सोल्ड इन गोवा. इररिस्पॉन्सिबल स्टेटमेंट केल्या नंतर म्हाका दिसता ताजो इम्पॅक्ट ऑलरेडी ट्युरिजम इंडस्ट्रीचेर आयला. म्हाका ट्युरिजम इंडस्ट्रीन सांगलें की लोक गोंयकार येतात, भायले लोक, ते आतां नुस्तें खावपाकूच भियेतात. खरें म्हणजे गोंयान ऑलरेडी जें नुस्तें आहा तें दोबरात प्रायस जालो. मुड्डोश्यो जाल्यो 500 रुपयाच्यो आशिल्ल्यो 8 दिसां पयलीं, त्यो आयज 1000 रुपया जाल्यो. लेपो 200-250 रुपया आशिल्ल्यो त्यो आतां 500-600 रुपया जाल्यो. क्रॅब्स आशिल्ल्यो 250 ते 270 रुपया, ते आयज 400 रुपया जाले. शेवटो आशिल्लो 300 रुपया, आयज 600 रुपया जालो. आनी आतां ट्युरिस्ट तितली क्वॉन्टिटी ना. ट्युरिजम सिजनान आमकां नुस्तें पळोवपाकूच मेळचें ना जर भायले हाडलें ना जाल्यार. त्यामुळे इम्पोर्ट करणे हें गोंयकारांक इकॉनॉमिकली नुस्तें कंट्रोल रेटीन दवरपाक आवश्यक आसा. आतां इम्पोर्ट केल्लें नुस्तें सेफ आसूंक जाय. ताज्या खातीर आमी सगळ्या मार्केटांच्यान सॅम्पल ड्रॉ करपाची वेवस्था करता आनी फ्री फॉर्मेलिटीडायड टेस्ट जी करपाची ती करता. ही स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट इज नॉट द फायनल टेस्ट. एज आय सेड, फाशीचो हो रिपोर्ट आसतालो. मशरुमान 400 मिलीग्राम पर्यंत आसता. बनानास कितले तरी, कॅरट 10 मिलीग्राम, कॉलीफ्लावर 27 मिलीग्राम. म्हणजे फॉर्मॅलिटीडायड इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मेटाबॉलिझम प्रोसेस of plants and animals. So it is found in the body in various levels. Formaldehyde नुस्तें आमी जशें हुमणान बरें खतखतायलें शिजयलें की फॉर्मल्डिहायड इवोपरेट जावन वता. तांच्या फासीच्या रिपोर्टान तांच्यान सांगलां, कोणाक जाय जाल्यार हांव कॉपी दिता, 70 डिग्री च्या वयर जर तूं तापयलें नुस्तें जाल्यार फॉर्मल्डिहायड भितर जें आसता पळय आंगान तें सुद्दां इवोपरेट जावन वता. हांव ताजें कॅन्सरियस हातून बी चड वचना. हांव फक्त इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की फूड आर्टिकल सेफ आसूंक जाय. ताज्या खातीर सरकार प्रयत्न करतलो. पण त्याच बरोबर अशे सेन्सिटीव विशय मिक्सअप करून, कारण आमीच एक्शन घेतलां. एक्शन हाज्या पयलीं जावन ना. 2014च्यान चॅकिंग सुरू जाला. हे फॉर्मल्डिहायडची मॅटर्स 2005 पासून चालू आहा. कंप्लेनी 2005 पासून येतात. कोणाक कितें कितें जावपाचें तें जावन गेलें. 2014 पासून वी हॅव स्टार्टेड इन्स्पेक्टिंग and so far we did not find anything positive, at least where the fish is brought in Goa. But import ban करा, export ban करा, हातूंच्यान सोल्युशन येवचें ना. हांगा एक संवय जाल्या कोणूय कितें स्टेटमेंट करता ताजे कॉन्सिक्वन्स पळयल्या शिवाय. सो आय अर्ज अपॉन द मेंबर्स टू बी responsible and sensitive on these issues. Let us not we are getting already bad name on many other matters. Let us not get a bad name on these when we are doing the job. 116 samples already काढले आम्ही.
श्री
Speaker sir. Speaker sir, with all these issues, Speaker sir, I would like to request Honorable Chief Minister, the Fisheries Minister, that as you have said rightly, Speaker sir, that Honorable CM has replied, I would like to also add that research in the past has shown that in the dietary food that we consume almost 11 milligrams of formaldehyde every day when we eat. But Speaker sir, leaving all this aside, I would like Honorable Chief Minister and Fisheries Minister that some sort of a regulatory mechanism where now the perception of the entire state of Goa is they require fish brought from their trawlers at their jetties for consumption. And looking at this at mind, I think instead of the agents at the particular jetties, different agents or whoever, I think Honorable Chief Minister and Fisheries Minister may look in an angle of taking fish directly, like now because of horticulture department, the agriculture department, when vegetables are expensive, they bring in all the way from wholesale markets and give at the same price which cost them by taking the effect of the transportation cost. I would like Honorable Chief Minister to also clarify on this point whether there will be some such thing where, since Fisheries Department subsidizes government on government subsidizes the fisheries trawlers on giving diesel, various other subsidies which should continue, but at the same time the first preference on fish taking by government on the rates whatever set at the particular jetties should be taken for Goan fish which is consumed. Honorable CM has said fishes are also caught of different types which are not consumed by Goans. That we do not have any say. But the fishes which like mackerels, kingfish or pomfrets or any other fish which is consumed by Goans should be taken by the government and supplied at the retail fish market where this sort of a mechanism Honorable CM has seen, so that we all say that Honorable CM has come back from the portfolio of the major defense portfolio only because he loved fish. We all Goans love fish. So I think we should look at this angle and look at it, Speaker sir. Thank you, Speaker sir.
स्पीकर सर, ताणें सांगला ते विचार करूं येता, पण ताजें वायबिलिटी पळोवची पडटली. बट मोर इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज वॉट इज कॅच इन गोवा इफ इट इज नॉट सप्लिमेंटेड विथ प्रॉपर इम्पोर्ट, सेफ इम्पोर्ट. आमी आतां मशिनाय घेता सो दॅट ऑल दीस वेरियस पेस्टिसायड्स एनीथींग इन द वेजिटेबल्स ऑल्सो आर डिटेक्टेड. वी आर बायींग मोर इक्विपमेंट सो दॅट वी कॅन चॅक ऑन दीस. Food safety is an important issue, I agree with that, but it has to be delicately dealt with. So we'll consider this aspect whether it is possible or not. But I can assure that we will see that safe fish is sold.
Sri Alex Reginald Lorenzo.
I begin by saying that, on this, in fact, the House was even adjourned, or rather, we opposed the government on this issue in the House. There is no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you, are the famous words of Maya Angelou. Speaker sir, I just want to tell you that instead of bearing an untold story of the agony, we are trying to confuse people. I'm not even still making that allegation, but I said it. Why? Because of statements coming out from different people as alleged by the Chief Minister. And the issue is that our actions, I always insist that our actions have to be more than, or rather stronger than words. Speaker sir, lot has been deliberated. Now the action taken, there is so many things deliberated. Now they say tourism industry is going to be there. It is the duty of the Chief Minister, who is the custodian, to see that these things don't happen. And for that, we have never opposed the government on any issue just for the sake of opposition, which we always say. Speaker sir, I want to tell you that even there are issues where cheap fish is wanted by people from Goa. नुस्त्या जो तर सवाय दितोलें, तेका सवाय कितको करपाचें तेजी स्टडी करून आनी फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान सार मुखार व्हरपाची गरज आहा. बट हें जायना. तें मागीर येवया. आतां फॉर्मालिनाचें उलयता आसतना फॉर्मालिन म्हणलें लोकांचे फॉर्मालिन म्हणलें. आतां तुम कितले सांगू बाबा हें तुगे बरें फॉर्मालिन, हें तुगे बॅड फॉर्मालिन म्हूण, पूण लोकां मोतीं गेलें. आतां लोकां मोतीन तूं कितको काडटलो जाल्यार एक्शन्स हॅव टू बी स्ट्रॉंगर. जी पळय टेस्ट करपा आशिल्ली, टेस्ट पयलीं केलोली, जो तर स्ट्रीप हाडले पयले आनी ती सारकी टेस्ट केलोली, तेंय जावपा न्ही. आतां जालें, डॅमेज इज ऑलरेडी डन, नो इश्यूज. बट लोकांक कितको तूं कन्विन्स करतलो. आमगे प्रोटेस्ट पळय आहा ती फकत जाली आमकां नुस्त्या फॉर्मालिन नासता खावपाचें. आतां कोण म्हणटा 2.5, कोण म्हणटा 3.5, कोण म्हणटा 5.5, कोण म्हणटा कितें जाय तें सांगता. बट सायंटिफीक स्टडी हेचेर कोण करतलो. फॉर्मालिन पळय आहा तें पयर, फॉर्मालिन पळय आहा तें कितले कडेन फॉर्मालिना फीश सांपडल्या. फॉर्मालिन कितू बॅड आहा तें सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. एवरी डे पेपर्स हॅव बीन टॉकिंग, एवरी डे. आतां 1.2 there was a study and one professor in the Goa University said he's almost a PhD. He said there is no formalin. There is nothing which is called formalin. Now all this proves that whether formalin aha or na hore and na it becomes difficult. And kitle cancerous things. Speaker sir, talking about how much it will affect the tourism industry. Now, because of tourism industry, we cannot say that it has to go. It has to rather, the whole issue has to be set aside. Cancer cases improve zale. Cancer cases itli increase zale ki there is no, Edisani jotor government and jotor bari study ashili. If the government was really serious on formalin, kitu cancer zale teje study jabat ale. Ani hui raid malya etsani government ay kai na. After that, after CM, in fact, ban goष्टी पहिले 4 दीस पयली नुस्तें येयलें. तेजेर कांय ना. बरें ती रेड मारली काय ना, फिश कित केली. ती फिश वचोन हें केली, सीज केली काय ना, मागीर रिलीज केली ना. All this is answered, no doubt. It is answered on paper. But the people of Goa are wanting a reply. That is not a reply. That is not a reply. Reply has to come. What happened exactly there? So all these things are.
Reply taka jay tosa astalo so na. Reply factual. Reply is a factual position which is there in the आणि taka फासीचो report जाय जाल्यार this is the FSSAI issued stay. This came after the what we analyzed. They have explained very clearly that naturally it is not free, added. The fruit articles also have formaldehyde. आता का हांव कितें करूं? एपलान भितरूय आसता, मशरूमानूय आसता, आनी फ्री एड केल्लें आसता, एक्सटर्नल एड केल्लें for preservative. That is what we have to stop. But naturally I can't stop. Na? Naturally it will be there in the food articles.
Speaker sir, आज बारीकशें कॅप्शन येयलां पेपराचेर. FDAन जर तर कंप्लेन केलें जाल्यार एक्शन घेतलं म्हणून पुलीस ऑफिशियल सांगतात. बरोबर आहा. तेजपालाचेर जेन्ना कंप्लेन जाली ईमेलाचेर तेन्ना ना हितू फास्ट एक्शन जालें.
एकच मिनिट
म्हाका दिसता आनी उत्तर सारकें वाचूं ना.
उत्तर सारकें
जेवता आसतना उत्तर वाचचें आनी सिन्स इट इज 1 o'clock
सभागृहाचो कामकाज दनपारां 2:30 पर्यंत तहकूब करता. ह्या विशयाचेर डिस्कशन्स दनपारा उपरांत चालू उरतलें. 2:30 पर्यंत तहकूब करता.